Hi, my name is Gaurav. I'm AVP Growth Cybernetyx. We are a technology company. We work in the field of perceptual AI. Today, we are showcasing our smart connected devices. One of the product that I'm going to showcase today is called Thinker. This product can convert any TV into an interactive, collaborative surface, wherein it has got a built-in computer, which just connects directly to your HDMI of your TV, and you just place it on top of the TV. And what it does is then you take the stylus and then you can do all sort of writing, like you can write anything, and you see how fast and precision that you will be getting over here. It's very precise, accurate that you're getting on this TV. This is a normal TV that we are showcasing that doesn't have any touch inside. You can use it on any TV from 32-inch size up to 75 inches size. Plus, what it also has a built-in camera, which actually helps you do the video conferencing on Zoom Room or Teams or Blue Jeans or any other software that you have on your computer. And it has got a built-in microphones, which is 16-core DSP-based microphone array, which does DOA and WAD to help you detect do the noise cancellation and all. And this camera got 130-degree field of view, so it is very good for huddle room solution, small huddle rooms, in which generally people are not covered most of the time. So right now what you see over here, that we have connected these two products together to do a video conferencing. That is our Thinker View series, which can be mounted on any display again, and you can be used for doing again voice activity detection and DOA. So for more information, you can visit our website www.cybernetyx.com. Thank you.